I drank 5 cups of tea today.
Of tea. You. What about coffee, teacher?
Oh, I was helping you because you're drinking tea, but this is my first cup of coffee today.
For me, not 5 cup tea. It was like maybe more than 20, 30, maybe. Because I work with Turkish people and they like tea too much, teacher. So they drank a lot, drinking a lot of tea.
Nice. Well, be careful because too much tea is too much caffeine.
Exactly. Even not just tea. I told you also coffee. When I go to other places like espresso, I like and Turkish coffee. Even I have Turkish coffee. Otherwise, I drink Turkish coffee. Do you like Turkish coffee?
Zaid, Turkish coffee is extremely strong and it makes me makes me cough.
Oh, really?
It's very chalky in the mouth.
Yeah. But I think it's the same Arabic coffee, teacher Dave, isn't it?
It depends on how you make it.
Yemen coffee is first coffee. Is it teacher right? The first coffee is Yemeni's coffee?
I don't read the comment section when I talk to my guests. I only talk to my guests.
Oh, really? Thank you, teacher. I really. So I should to be don't read the comment section. I have to focus to
Yeah.
teach my teacher. Actually, it was a great answer, teacher. You made me shy. Actually.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?